Hello, I'm Dr. Inge with a Y, the creator of the Allergy Kit. I'm now going to show you how to use it. This is the basic kit called the Allergy Kit. It has a stress vial and 7 vials. They have to be done one at a time and in order. It comes with a laser. You have to put the batteries in first. Q-tip, you use the stress vial that comes with the kit, because if you have allergies or anything, a cold or whatever it is, every cell in your body is under stress. That's why we use the stress vial. So we start with vial number 1, which is egg, chicken, milk, vitamin C and parasites. You just lightly lick on the Q-tip, and then you put it in your belly button together with the 2 vials. I prefer to use the vials with the bottom up because it looks prettier. Then you shine for 30 seconds on the vials with a Q-tip. Then you go to between the eyebrows and go over your head. Go back to the vials. After 30 seconds, you do the 7 rows again. Now you go to the ears for just 7 seconds on each ear. And you finish with another 30 seconds on the belly button. After the 30 seconds, you finish while the vials are still in place with what we call the 4 gates. Just 7 seconds on each point. You start on your left hand, 7 seconds. You go to the left foot, the right hand, and you close the circuit by finishing on the left hand where you started. You leave the vials on for about 5 minutes, sit down and relax. When the 5 minutes are up, you take out the vials, throw away the Q-tip, put the vials back, and either wash your hands or rub your hands to get the energy off. And that's it.